A need for speed unleashing your inner runner. There's something magical about the moment your feet hit the ground and you feel the rush of adrenaline. Did you know that with the right training you can shave minutes off your running time? It's not just about running faster, it's about running smarter. It's true. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting out, we all crave that feeling of wind in our hair and the exhilaration of speed. The joy of running is universal, transcending age and experience. But sometimes our bodies need a little push to unlock that next level of performance. It's about pushing past the mental and physical barriers that hold us back. That's where this essay comes in. We'll provide you with insights and strategies that can transform your running routine. We're diving deep into the world of running speed and stamina, exploring the challenges and uncovering the secrets to becoming a faster, stronger, and more resilient runner. From interval training to strength conditioning, every aspect will be covered. We'll tackle those pesky plateaus that make you want to chuck your running shoes across the room. Understanding why these plateaus happen is the first step to overcoming them. We'll conquer fatigue and discover the power of proper recovery. Recovery isn't just about rest. It's about active techniques that rejuvenate your muscles and mind. And most importantly, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to smash your personal best and leave your doubts in the dust. Every runner has the potential to achieve greatness with the right mindset and preparation. So, lace up those trainers, grab your water bottle, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Get ready to unleash your inner speed demon. The road ahead is challenging but incredibly rewarding. Let's make every run count. The power of progress. Why getting faster and stronger matters. Now you might be thinking, Joe, why bother with all this speed and stamina business? Why put in the effort to get faster and stronger? Well, my friend, the benefits go far beyond simply crossing the finish line a few minutes earlier. It's not just about the race, it's about the journey and the transformation that happens along the way. Improving your running speed and stamina translates to a healthier heart, stronger lungs, and an overall boost in fitness. Your cardiovascular system becomes more efficient and your muscles get stronger and more resilient. You'll find yourself bouncing with energy, feeling more confident in your body, and ready to tackle any challenge life throws your way. The mental benefits are just as significant as the physical ones. Plus, let's not forget the immense sense of accomplishment that comes with pushing your limits and realizing just how much your body is capable of. Every milestone you reach is a testament to your hard work and dedication. It's about setting goals, crushing them, and then setting the bar even higher. Each goal achieved is a stepping stone to the next, creating a cycle of continuous improvement and personal growth. So whether you're chasing a personal best, aiming to complete your first 5K, or simply want to feel fitter and more energized, this journey is for you. It's about embracing the process and enjoying every step of the way. Trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. The sense of fulfillment, the joy of progress, and the health benefits make every drop of sweat worthwhile. Hitting the wall plateaus and fatigue on your running journey. Now let's talk about those frustrating roadblocks we all encounter on our running adventures, plateaus, and fatigue. These are common experiences that every runner, whether a beginner or a seasoned marathoner, faces at some point in their journey. We've all been there, that feeling of hitting a wall where progress seems to grind to a halt and your motivation takes a nosedive. It's as if all the effort you've put in suddenly doesn't seem to yield any results. Plateaus happen when your body adapts to your current training routine. This adaptation means that the same exercises that once challenged you no longer push your limits. You might notice your pace stagnating, your usual route feeling less challenging, or your overall excitement for running dwindling. This can be disheartening, but it's important to remember that it's a natural part of the training cycle. Don't worry, it's a completely normal part of the process. Recognizing that plateaus are temporary can help you stay positive and focused on your long-term goals. Fatigue, on the other hand, is that dreaded feeling of exhaustion and lack of energy that can strike during or after a run. It's more than just being tired. It's a deep, pervasive weariness that can affect your entire body. It can manifest as heavy legs, shortness of breath, or a general sense of "I'm done" before you even lace up your shoes. This can be particularly challenging because it can sap your enthusiasm and make it hard to stick to your training plan. But fear not, my friend, these challenges are not insurmountable. With the right mindset and strategies, you can push through these tough times. We're about to equip you with the tools and strategies to overcome these challenges and get back on track to crushing those running goals. From adjusting your training routine to incorporating rest and recovery, we'll cover everything you need to know to break through plateaus and combat fatigue effectively. Ready to level up? Join me. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of boosting your running speed and stamina, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We've got a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and game-changing techniques coming your way. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your running journey and become the runner you've always dreamed of being. Now let's get this show on the road. Igniting your engine's interval training for speed demons. All right, let's talk about one of the most effective ways to torch calories, increase your speed, and build stamina like a champion: interval training. Now, don't let the fancy name intimidate you. Interval training is simply alternating between periods of high-intensity effort and short recovery periods. Think of it like this. You sprint like a cheetah for a short burst, then catch your breath with a light jog or walk. Repeat. This powerful technique pushes your body to adapt, improves your cardiovascular fitness, and transforms you into a lean, mean running machine. There are endless variations of interval training, from hill sprints to track workouts. Experiment and find what works best for you. Remember to start gradually and listen to your body. Fueling the fire nutrition tips for peak performance. We all know that what we fuel our bodies with directly impacts our performance. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put regular petrol in a Ferrari, right? The same goes for your body. To unlock your full running potential, you need to nourish it with the right kind of fuel. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, lean protein, and healthy fats. Carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide sustained energy for those long runs. Protein, found in lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils, helps repair and rebuild your muscles after a tough workout. And don't forget those healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and olive oil are your friends, providing essential fatty acids that support overall health and reduce inflammation. Rest and recharge recovery strategies for runners. Now let's talk about a crucial aspect of training that often gets overlooked: recovery. Just like a car needs pit stops to refuel and repair, our bodies need adequate rest to rebuild, adapt, and come back stronger. Ignoring recovery is like driving your car with the check engine light flashing. Eventually, it will catch up to you. So how can you prioritize recovery and avoid burnout? First and foremost, listen to your body. Don't push through pain or fatigue. Rest days are not a sign of weakness, they're an investment in your long-term progress. The game changer, unveiling the secret weapon for speed and stamina. Drum roll, please. It's time to reveal the game changer, the secret weapon, the one technique that can significantly impact your running speed and stamina: consistent strength training. Yes, you heard that right. Lifting weights isn't just for bodybuilders, it's a runner's best friend. Think about it. Running is essentially a series of controlled jumps, propelling your body forward with each stride. Stronger muscles mean more power, efficiency, and injury prevention. Incorporate strength training exercises like squats, lunges, planks, and push-ups into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your running performance. Consistency is key, making progress stick. We've covered a lot of ground today, from interval training and nutrition to the importance of strength training and recovery. But remember, my friends, the secret sauce to unlocking your full running potential lies in one word: consistency. It's not about having the perfect workout every single time or never missing a training session. Life happens. It's about showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. It's about making gradual progress, celebrating your achievements, and learning from your setbacks. Trust the process. Be kind to yourself and enjoy the journey. Share your journey. Let's connect and conquer running goals. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest running challenges? What tips are you excited to implement? Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can motivate and inspire each other to achieve our running goals. Keep on running. Explore more tips and tricks. Don't stop here. If you're hungry for more running tips, tricks, and inspiration, check out my video on insert-related video topic here. We'll dive deeper into the world of running, exploring new techniques and strategies to help you become the best runner you can be. Until next time, keep on running.